In this exciting video, we'll explore the world of small manufacturing machines and how they can help you start your own business with incredible profit potential. So, let's dive in. 1. 3D printer. Let's begin with a revolution in manufacturing, the 3D printer. These marvels have evolved to become more affordable and accessible, making them a must-have for small businesses. Rapid prototyping, custom part production, and product design become a breeze with a 3D printer by your side. 2. Desktop CNC machine. Whether you're working with wood, plastic, or soft metals, this machine's precision cutting, drilling, and shaping abilities are simply unmatched. Imagine the possibilities of creating custom parts and products for your business with a desktop CNC. 3. Laser engraving machine. The laser engraving machine allows small businesses to create unique and customized products that leave a lasting impression on customers. It can work intricate designs on materials like wood, acrylic, leather, and glass. 4. Vacuum forming machine. For cost-effective packaging solutions, the vacuum forming machine is your ally. By molding thin sheets of plastic into specific shapes, you can create stunning packaging, small components, and custom products with reduced production costs. 5. UV Flatbed Printer. The UV Flatbed Printer is a remarkable tool that offers a wide range of printing possibilities on various surfaces. With its ability to print on materials like wood, canvas, carpet, tile, and glass, this printer can do wonders for a small business. Get ready to print directly onto wood, glass, metal, and acrylic. Your business will stand out with vibrant and durable prints, whether it's custom signage, promotional items, or product branding. 6. Small-scale injection molding machine. Building on the power of injection molding, consider the small-scale version for your business. These machines offer reduced material waste and lower upfront costs, making them ideal for small businesses producing plastic parts efficiently. 7. CNC Plasma Cutter. For those into metal fabrication, behold the CNC Plasma Cutter. This beast uses a high-temperature plasma torch to cut through metal materials quickly and accurately. The CNC Plasma Cutter is a cutting-edge machine that combines a plasma torch with computer-controlled movements. 8. Vinyl cutter. Moving on, the vinyl cutter brings efficiency to signage, graphics, and custom apparel industries. Precisely cut vinyl sheets into specific shapes and designs, boosting productivity and enhancing your creative endeavors. 9. Bottle labeling machine. Essential for small-scale beverage and pharmaceutical businesses, the bottle labeling machine automates the process of applying consistent and professional labels to bottles. Streamline your production process and deliver a polished product to your customers. 10. Die cutting machine. Calling all crafters and packaging enthusiasts. The die cutting machine is a versatile addition, allowing you to cut shapes from materials like paper, cardboard, and fabric. Elevate your cutting process at ease. 11. CNC Lathe. For businesses requiring precision turning of cylindrical parts and components, the CNC Lathe is a valuable asset. Embrace accuracy in metalworking and prototyping, delivering high-quality products to your customers. 12. Desktop laser welding machine. Perfect your precision welding with a desktop laser welding machine. Valuable for jewelry making, small metal fabrication, and repair work, it empowers you to achieve intricate designs and repairs with ease. 13. Paper bag making machine. Champion eco-friendly solutions with the paper bag making machine. Impress your customers with beautiful, customized paper bags that align with your commitment to the environment and sustainability. The paper bag making machine revolutionizes the production of paper bags, offering efficiency and precision. 14. Small-scale blow molding machine. Embrace custom-shaped bottles with a small-scale blow molding machine. A small-scale blow molding machine is a compact and versatile manufacturing device used to produce plastic containers and bottles through the blow molding process. Perfect for beverages, cosmetics, and household products, it offers a cost-effective option for businesses seeking unique container designs. 15. CNC foam cutting machine. For packaging, arts, and architecture enthusiasts, the CNC foam cutting machine unlocks endless possibilities. A CNC foam cutting machine is an advanced cutting system designed to precisely cut and shape foam materials using computer-controlled movements. Create foam inserts in custom shapes to elevate your products and projects to new heights. 16. Small-scale fiber laser cutting machine. Last but not least, discover the precision of the small-scale fiber laser cutting machine. It delivers intricate designs and high-quality results on thin metal sheets and is perfect for small metalworking businesses and artisans. There you have it, the ultimate lineup of small manufacturing machines that can elevate your business to new heights. Remember, the key to success lies in taking that first step. So, gear up and start building your future today. If you like this video, smash that like button and hit subscribe. We'll be back with more exciting business ideas and tips. Check out our other videos on how to manufacture your own products and sell them for profit. We have tutorials and guides that can help you increase your efficiency, reduce costs and improve the quality of your product. Thanks for watching.